Hey guys, I am Yusra and welcome to part 3 of the flower painting series. I hope you guys are safe and utilizing your quarantine in a nice way. As you know, this is the last part of the series and in this part we're gonna paint a beautiful rose. And if you have missed the other two videos, I'll link them towards the end of this video. Now let's get started. First of all, make the rough structure of the rose with the help of a pencil. Now take the three colors which are magenta, pink and white. And with these three colors, start painting the inner part of the rose. Now with the light pink shade, start making the petals. After completing this, paint the stem and leaves. Here I am starting with the light green color. Now take the dark green and blend it with the light green color. You can also add more darker shade by mixing black and dark green together. Now with the fine detailing brush, start making some yellow highlights. Now make the details of the inner part like this. We can always add depths and shadows with the darker shade. And here I am adding some more darker shades to the flower. Now on the upper part of the petals I am adding white. And now with the fine detailing brush, start adding some white highlights. After completing the flower, start painting the background. To get this pastel shade of the background, mix little dark green with your lightest pink color. And in the end, add some white random strokes to the background like this. Now finish your final details with the fine detailing brush. So here is the final result. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then do hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more DIYs and painting videos in future. And let me know if you like this kind of series and wants to see more. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next week. Till then, take care and stay safe.